In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Kajabi. Whether you're a seasoned course creator or just starting out, knowing how to upload your content efficiently is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Kajabi website. You'll want to log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your content, so getting familiar with this page is important. Next, you'll want to locate the Products tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this will take you to the section where all your courses and products are managed. This area is essentially the heart of your Kajabi account, housing everything you're offering to your audience. Now navigate over to the Course section. This is where you will manage the specific course you intend to edit or add content to. You'll see a list of your existing courses. Select the one you wish to upload a video to. If you're adding content to a brand new course, you'll first need to create one by following the prompts Kajabi provides. Once you're inside the course module, scroll down the page until you find the video section. This part is crucial because it's where you'll be adding your video content. Click on the Video tab to begin the upload process. Look for the option that says My Device. Clicking here allows you to upload video files directly from your computer or any connected storage device that holds your content. Be sure that your videos are ready and saved in a format supported by Kajabi to avoid any unnecessary troubleshooting later on. It's time to upload your video. Find your video file and select it. This action will initiate the upload process. Depending on your file size, the upload might take a few moments, so be patient and ensure that your internet connection is stable during this time. Once your video is uploaded, Kajabi will begin processing it to make sure it's ready for streaming. This might take a little time, especially for larger videos, so feel free to grab a coffee if needed. Just make sure you don't close the window during this process. After the processing is complete, you'll see a confirmation. Be sure to click Save to ensure all your hard work isn't lost. Without saving, your video won't be stored or published for your audience to view. Finally, to wrap things up, click on Mark as Complete. This final step signals Kajabi that your upload is finalized and ready for your learners. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded a video to your Kajabi course. Thank you for following along and happy course creating!